Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American vlogger. There currently vlogs about Nigeria and Lagos, and guess where I'm at? I am in Ibadan, and somebody is taking me to the best Amala spot. I think I've shown her on the camera already. Surprise, I have a special guest for you guys. Let me zoom in. Mama, how are you? Say hi.
Hi, I'm Patootie Sparkles.
Patootie Sparkles. You guys check her out on YouTube. I'm gonna leave her link below. If you guys recognize her, comment below this video. If not, definitely check out her channel. Her name is Patootie space Sparkles. So, since I'm in Ibadan, I watch her YouTube channel. I watch a lot of her videos, and I was like, when I'm in Ibadan, I have to meet her. I call her Mama Ibadan. That's how I refer to her. So, of course, if you're in Ibadan, you have to try Amala because, I mean, what's the point of coming to Ibadan if you're not going to eat Amala? It's like pointless. I told them I want to go to the best Amala spot in Ibadan. So we're going there, and there's traffic. The traffic here at this time looks like Lagos traffic. So, oh, thank you. So we are in Bodija, and we're going to, where are we going, man? Sky?
We're going to Amala Sky Bar.
Amala Sky Lolo.
Yes.
Hey, we are going to Amala Sky Lolo. I thought it was YOLO. So I'm going to have my favorite combination. Hopefully they have it. I want Amala Begriate Wedu.
Yeah.
Actually, no, yeah. I think it's Shaki Dog Begriate. I want all of it. Alright guys, so we'll keep in touch again once we get there. Peace. Hey guys, we're finally at the Amala Lounge. You guys can get a close look at her. So we're going over there. So tell us about this place, man.
Well, this is like the most popular Amala spot in Ibadan. Whenever you come to Ibadan, people be like, go to Amala Sky. You know, this is the place. It's called Shortlet, and their food is actually really delicious. It's very
I am
tasty.
so excited. So
You
what's
like it?
what's your favorite thing to get there?
Actually, I don't really like Amala. So I eat Eba.
How does Mama Ibadan not like Amala?
I don't really like Amala, to be honest. But
Okay.
yeah, Eba, even though like, you know, it's Ibadan, but the Eba and pounded yam here is actually like the best I've had.
Okay, I've heard a lot of great things about this place. Let's go check it out.
Okay.
All right. All right. Ooh, that fan is my height. Oh, this is where we start. Oh, okay. We need something deep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so we're getting in scoops. Mo fẹ́ scoop méjì mà. Actually, bóyá mẹ́ta. I joined WhatsApp. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. I got it. Go for it. It's on me. So we start with the Amala here first, and then we go get some. This fan like this, it's at my height level. So are you getting it?
No.
You're not gonna eat.
I was looking for it.
Oh, okay. Wow, so this is Gregory right here. So that's Gregory, and then we're doing. Wow. So guys, that's Gregory. That's here we do. It looks so good. That's it. Check Gregory near man. My back Gregory. That's here we do. Yummo. Ashema. So I want all the meats. Mo fẹ́.
Ṣé kí ẹ lọ wà?
Mo fẹ́ ṣáàkì, mọ̀mọ́, ògúnfe. Mo fẹ́ different parts of ẹran tẹ́ bá ní. Okay. Ẹran mi wo lẹ ní?
Beef lele.
Mo fẹ́ beef, mo fẹ́ pọ̀mọ́ náà.
Àgèmáwò lele.
Ọmọ yín kéré o. Òkè àgémáwò, ó yẹ fi pọ̀mọ́.
Ṣé ní ṣáàkì náà?
Kidney ló wà.
Yes, kidney.
Okay, màá gba kidney. Kí ló ń pe kidney ní Yorùbá?
Ẹ̀dọ̀.
Ẹ̀dọ̀, okay. Ọkàn. Okay, ẹ ṣé. Wow, look at my dish, guys. How beautiful is that? Wow, it smells so good. And then we go sit. Okay, I'll wait. So they said please calculate your money before you before eating, so that there won't be any issue. No issues. Huh? Amala mẹ́ta. But yeah, but kò ní sí issue, no worries.
2-1, okay.
So èlò ló máa ń tà wọ́n? Àbáwọ̀ la ṣe ń tà wọ́n?
I think the buffet is 500.
Okay.
The is 500. Then I don't know about that. I know Amala is
Okay.
100 naira. So, but you said your food is 2-1.
2-1. So I think he gave me 4 meats and he gave me 3.
Yeah.
I'll ask him.
Buffet is 500.
Buffet is
This one is 500. That's one.
Okay. Báwo ni ẹ ṣe ń ta ẹran pọ̀mọ́ àti beef? Èló lẹ́ ń tà wọ́n? Okay. Èwo ni 700? Ògúnfe 700. Inú ẹran ńkọ́ kí ló lè?
Kidney
700. Then àwọn ẹran 200. Inú Amala is 100. 300 fún mẹ́ta. Okay, ẹ ṣé. Hey guys, real quick. I have a goal of 10,000 subscribers this month and I need your help. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please scroll down and hit that big red subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and your love. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of this video and I'll chat with you later. Bye. All right. First step, gotta go wash the hands because we eat this food with our hands, guys. There's no fork, knife, spoon, nothing. Just hands. Can we just appreciate this? All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's dig in. Wow. It's perfect. Oh. It reminds me of childhood. Wow. The amala is so smooth and so soft. Wow. But I wish you gave me more ewedu. Wow. Oh, the ewedu is so good too. Wow. So the ewedu you eat in Lagos is not like this. It's so different. Wow. Amazing. This is like the best Malayan ewedu I've had in a long time. Wow. She does. I had to call on the right person. So Kilelesa. Kidney. Come up and hear about it.
Edo, yeah.
This is Adio. So Adio is liver.
Yeah.
So for me, guys, I got Adio, which is liver. So good. I got pomo.
Agemawo. Is that the pomo? Agemawo.
Gemawa.
It's cow meat.
Oh, okay, with the skin. And then, oh, this is the goat meat. This is ogunfe goat meat. All the meats, and this is just regular beef. So good. You guys are enjoying it. In Ibadan.
Try it. If you came here in the afternoon, you would not even like it.
Really?
It's so loud.
Could be too crowded.
People will be fighting for their
Wow. Really? Let me give you guys an ambiance. So when we came in, you go with the lady, she gives you your amala. And then you go to the window and they give you your sauce on that side, and then you come to the other side of the window and they give you your meat. So that's how it works. All right, guys, I'm going to continue my amala, but I just kind of wanted to highlight a place that's in Ibadan where you definitely should check out if you're here. All right, guys, I had to get extra ewedu because I love it so much. Check it out. More ewedu. I'm going to enjoy this. Mix it together.